Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. Yay! So I'm taking a different approach today. I'm currently away on holiday in Spain. It's so beautiful and I'm so excited to be here. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you about how to actually improve your soft skills as a business analyst. So unlike technical skills, okay guys, so I'm going to be looking at my tissue paper because this is where I've written all my notes. I didn't want to skip a week of uploading business analysis related content. So I just want to keep consistent with this and trust that you guys will keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. How to improve your soft skills. Top 3 ways that I can advise on how to improve your soft skills. Unlike technical skills, soft skills, they determine how we interact with stakeholders. And interaction and communication with stakeholders is one of the key soft skills that business analysts need to have in order to deliver effectively in your work, in order to become that trustworthy person that stakeholders find easy to approach and easy to express their requirements to you, especially during requirements elicitation meetings. Again, having that emotional intelligence, having effective communication skills, and just being able to influence and motivate your team, influence and motivate stakeholders. These are key soft skills that we need to have as business analysts. However, these skills are not necessarily taught in schools. These aren't things that we focus on in school. We generally focus on the technical or the theoretical aspect of applying educational things in general, right? So nobody really teaches us how to communicate, how to read body language, and how to tackle that going forward. So having key soft skills requires a certain level of self-awareness. Self-awareness in itself is also a soft skill. So where exactly do we begin? Where exactly do you start to hone on these soft skills, to improve, to understand how to apply these soft skills? So one pointer that I'd like to specify is to seek feedback. Right? Seek feedback from your peers, from your employees, from those employee surveys, from exit interviews. Also, you can seek feedback from a coach if you have a personal coach, so that it helps you learn what your weaknesses are, so that you can then begin to tackle these and then begin to apply those improvement techniques to those skills. I know it can be difficult for people to highlight your weaknesses, but if you don't highlight this, how do you then begin to improve, to know what exactly you need to improve? Okay, so being self-aware really helps you. It helps you build trust. It helps you build rapport with your stakeholders, with your team. So having that feedback, first having that self-awareness and then seeking feedback. How do you begin to then improve your soft skills? Number 1, what exactly can you do to improve your soft skills? Number 1, get a second opinion. This is also sort of relating to seeking feedback. Get a second opinion from your manager. Get a second opinion from your friends, from your colleagues, from a coach. This can help you reflect on what exactly you lack and where you can begin to fine-tune those weaknesses. It really helps getting a second opinion. Like I mentioned, it's difficult when somebody tells you that you have a weakness in certain aspects in communication or in listening, but at least you're aware, and then you can begin to apply solutions to those issues. Number 2 is catch yourself. How do you do this? Try to ask yourself, say after a meeting, an interview, a one-to-one interaction with anybody, if you're not yet a business analyst, if you're already a business analyst, try to ask yourself, how did I just do? How did what I just said and what I just did come across to the person I'm communicating with? How how was their body language? Look out for these non-verbal cues and their body language. So catch yourself, go back to reflect after one-to-ones or after interactions with people, with stakeholders. In general, it will help you to then know that, oh, okay, I have this weakness in listening to people. Like I tend to start daydreaming, for instance. So at least I know that in my next meeting, I'll try my hardest to stay focused. And then with non-verbal cues, how was the person? Did the person look sleepy? Did the person look bored? Am I boring when I talk? How can I start to not be boring? So that's number 2. Number 3 is a very important one, is who can I imitate? Who can I copy? Who inspires me? Okay? Think back to someone who inspires you and copy them. Copy how they communicate, how they stand, how they sit, how they hold their body when speaking to people, copy their pauses. Just see if it works for that person that inspires you. Try to copy them. They say imitation is the best form of flattery, so it really will help you. Find someone with great interpersonal skills that you can apply so that you can succeed in your role. I want you all to succeed. And I know I talk a lot about business analysis, technical skills, and soft skills that we need, but how do I apply these soft skills? So this is why I thought to quickly do this top 3 ways to which you can improve your soft skills. I hope you found today's content helpful. I've enjoyed doing this. I'm thinking of doing a vlog of my holiday if you guys would like to see, because when I started YouTube, I started off with vlogs before going into the niche of business analysis, but I still do enjoy doing vlogs. So if you'd like to see a vlog of my holiday experience, let me know in the comments section. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till next time, peace.